Hello friends, welcome to another video. My name is Varun and I am currently pursuing MTech from IIT Bombay. In this video, we are talking about MS in Communications and Signal Processing at IIT Madras. This video will cover all the important details of the program along with the test and interview preparation tips. I will also share some important resources which you should go through to prepare for the test and the interview. So let's begin with an introduction to the program. MS by Research is a 2 to 3 years research-oriented master's program. The program has more weightage to research theses and less weightage to coursework. I have already made a detailed video on MS by Research, which you can watch by clicking on the above link. Electrical Engineering Department at IIT Madras offers MS in 7 specializations. You have to submit a list of preferences while filling the application form for the program. For general category, the cutoffs are around 575 gate score and 70% marks in their undergraduate. For all these specializations, the admission process includes written test followed by an interview. But the admission test for all these specializations is different. You will first have to write a written test of 1 to 2 hours for a particular specialization. The second phase of the admission process will be interviews. The final offer for admissions will depend on your performance in the written test and the interview. When I had applied to the program, the entire admission process was conducted online. But it might be conducted offline as well depending on the decision of the institute. This video covers test and interview preparation details for Communications, Networks and Signal Processing specialization, which is also called EE1. Now let's talk about preparation for the written test. The test will mostly contain subjective questions. For EE1, the syllabus of the test includes signal and systems, probability, and linear algebra. Let me share some of the resources that you should go through to prepare for the test. For signal and systems, you should first revise your gate concepts. As an additional resource, you could refer to NPTEL lectures by Professor Murthy. These are great lectures and they will help you strengthen your concepts of Fourier series, Fourier transform, Laplace transform, etc. For probability, go through the MIT lectures. These lectures also cover example problems which are helpful. Make sure you understand concepts of random variables, conditional probability, and various distributions. For linear algebra, refer the MIT lectures by Gilbert Strang. These are great set of lectures, and linear algebra is a very important topic since it has a lot of applications in communication and signal processing. From my previous test experience, I found the math part much difficult as compared to the signal and systems part. But the resources which were mentioned earlier are enough to get you good marks in the written test. They have also provided syllabus for the written test and a list of resources on their website, which I will link in the description below. Now let's talk about preparation for the interviews. In the interviews, questions may be asked from signal and systems, probability, and linear algebra. For these topics, the resources which I mentioned earlier will be sufficient. Since this is an MS program, they might also ask your area of interest for pursuing research. Research for communication and signal processing specialization can be categorized into wireless communication, communication networks, image processing, and computer vision. Go through the faculty research profiles to know more and select research area based on your interest. They will not expect you to know a lot about the research area and they will also not ask questions on it. But it would be good that you are aware of the faculty members and their research areas. If you have time, then prepare for basic machine learning. For this, you can refer to the Coursera course by Andrew NG. They possibly won't ask questions from it, but it would be an added bonus since machine learning has a lot of applications in image processing and computer vision. The resources and tips which are covered in this video are applicable to any other communications and signal processing program. MS is a great option for someone interested in pursuing research. Many students extend the same research topic and convert from MS to PhD. MS program gives you a chance of getting into a top institute even if you have a low gate score. As I mentioned before, the gate score cutoff for the program is around 575. With this gate score, you might have a chance of getting into a good program at an NIT. But with the same gate score, you could get into IIT Madras for the MS program, which I think is a much better option. That's it for this video. I hope this video helps you in preparing for test and interview. I have made a video sharing my personal test and interview experience for MS at IIT Madras, which you can check out by clicking on the above link. If you have any further questions, then please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.